It just doesn't work. I mean, everything feels like it works, but it just doesn't do anything. We put batteries in the first time and it worked for about 45 minutes, and we've replaced the batteries now twice to try to see if it'll work, and we just can't get it to work. Very disappointed.
So I've just put 3 brand new batteries and it's not working.